Hello students, the last part of the morphology of the flowering plants, which are semi-technical description of a typical flowering plant. The arrangement of the floral parts, which are calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, all these, how we have to write in formula way, and description of the part, and diagram how to draw. For practical which you are going to do in laboratory, these are the important things which mostly other time in 5 marks or 3 marks they are asking. Floral formula for 1 mark, floral diagram for more marks. So listen carefully to understand and observe the diagram which I am going to explain first. Before that, the definitions are various morphological features used to describe flowering plant, where it is a symbolic representation of essential facts of the flower, which generally when we are writing, you see the diagram which they are giving plus symbol. There is a plus symbol they have given, and bisexual, see the bisexual, and cape 2 plus 2. See what is this is, see generally that is actinomorphic, zygomorphic, depending on the flower arrangement. Or see bisexual, second one, if it is a male, the top symbol arrow mark will be there. Female unisexual flower, one symbol will come. For bisexual, two symbols will come. Here it is shown as a bisexual. The calyx, which are 2 plus 2, when 2 and 2, see there is a, these are calyx, 2 outer side, 2 inner side. The corolla, which is 4 totally, which are in the same line, that is showing the 4. Androecium, which are 2 plus 4, and the G gynoecium, which is the down, means that is superior ovary enclosed in the these brackets. You see carefully. So it shows number of parts of flower. So again the dot which is there up, the dot which is there up, that shows the axis. Okay, the mother axis, posterior side of the flower. So the anterior side of the flower also it shows if it come down. So the floral diagram, the relationship of various floral parts, cohesion, adhesion, dehiscence, placentation, anthers, these are called monothecous, dithecous. These we are going to describe in a single formula. So this is the symbol which is they are showing in picture, that is Brassicaceae. The family of Brassicaceae shows this diagram. So when actinomorphic should be in spherical form, and zygomorphic oval or ellipsoidal form. The floral diagram indicates sexuality of the flower, symmetry of the flower. These the which I am describing, aestivation of the perianth and number of floral parts and position of the ovary. So when we are going these, see the description they have given, what stands for what, K, C, G, you read carefully. If you read 2-3 times, automatically first time you won't understand, but second 3 times, which are little bit tough to understand, you will get understand by self reading. Okay, who are understanding very fast, IQ level more, they can go on learning. This year they have given Solanaceae, Liliaceae and Fabaceae. So now first I'm going to learn about Fabaceae. I'm telling you the Fabaceae, the diagram. Okay, where they are showing all these. So see the family was earlier, but let me just check for Solanaceae first, then I can go to. See the Solanaceae they have given first, I'll explain that. Solanaceae is a large family, means a lot of tomato, brinjal, potato. This is called potato family. These come under these examples. Generally, it is widely distributed in tropics, subtropics, and all. So vegetative characters you have to mention. Those are, it is mostly herbs, sometimes shrubs, sometimes trees. The stem is herb, which will finish it in within a year. Rarely woody, aerial, erect, cylindrical. So see the diagram they have given there. See the observation of the diagram. See the diagram, the flora. See, they have given the floral twig completely, which is a brinjal, Solanum nigrum mokoi plant. And see, the arrangement slightly differs from leaf plant to plant, but basically most of the time this is the diagram for that. The A is a flowering plant, B is a flower, LS of flower. See the arrangement which they are giving here, how the arrangement of calyx and corolla and androecium here, gynoecium. See this, the outer layer which they have given is like, what is that, leaves are with unequal laminar base. So see the descriptive part, Solanum tuberosum specifically. See the floral formula, see this floral diagram which is zygomorphic and bisexual, calyx are 5, corolla 5, androecium 5 and gynoecium 5. So basically they will give inflorescences, whether it is a solitary, single, axillary, cymose or solanum, as I already about inflorescence in the earlier lesson. Flower, whether it is bisexual, actinomorphic. Sorry, I have told zygomorphic, but this is bisexual and actinomorphic. Calyx is sepals 5 and united, all united, persistent, valvate. Remember the sepals 5, united and valvate estivation. That is what you have to. If you forget to write persistence also no problem, but don't forget to write sepals for number, united and valvate estivation. Same as with that way only. Petals 5, united and valvate. Androecium 5, they are showing in the diagram. Even gynoecium is bicarpellary. Syncarpa solar united. Ovary is superior. So bilocular, 2 locules. The ovules will be located in 2 locules and the placenta is swollen with many ovules. So now I will move on to the diagram to observe. See, even leaves are simple. See this, 2 locules, 1 locule and 2 locule. The center around that this is arranged. Then androecium is in all on one way. Valvate estivation, all are in single line. There is no whorls like outside, inside, front, back. So the economic importance also, sometimes they are asking, if they ask vegetation, see the question properly. Whether, don't confuse for floral characters means flower. The vegetative means you can write the stem, root, those. So if suppose they ask for economic importance, you can write it as a many plants belonging to whether it is a ornamental plant or medicinal plant or food for food. They have given you, if you maintain, if you write the scientific name, it is better. The source of food, tomato, brinjal, the medicine as belladonna and ashwagandha, like this. So suppose I'll move on to see the medicine belladonna. I'll move on to next Liliaceae family. The Liliaceae family, if you see the lily family, the vegetative perennial and underground leaves are basal, alternate, exstipulate, parallel venation. See the floral cancer, it is always cymose inflorescence and the flower is bisexual and actinomorphic. See the floral formula. It is actinomorphic, bisexual. P 3 plus 3. Y 3 plus 3. See the arrangement here. See, 3 are inside. The floral formula, you see the floral diagram. 3 whorls are inside and 3 whorls are outside. Okay. These androecium also 3 are inside and 3 are outside. That is why they have given. Even the center locule is 3 locules. That is why this is basically onion plant. So onion plant will be like inflorescence also cymose, all these. So see this solitary cymose. See these Allium cepa for onion, Allium sativum for the garlic. Most of them are good ornamental plants like tulip gloriosa. For medicine it is aloe vera. For vegetables it is asparagus and colchicine. For the for tobacco also come under this. So these are the description. See, this is also easy diagram they have given beautifully. So I will move on to Fabaceae now. The Fabaceae, it is not included this year, but you can learn as I have explained how these are. With this, I thought you understood the diagram. This is little complex. Now you see the outer side, all are in velvet distribution. Here one wall will be outside, two are in one side outside, and these are alternately arranged. So this is the diagram. You can write it as zygomorphic. Petals are 5. Corolla are 1 plus 2 plus the arrangement. Androecium 9 will be one side, 1 will be, and superior ovary. And fruit is a legume. All fruits which are coming here are pulses, graham, beans. All these come under these. The jute plant, which is for cloth we use, even ornamental plants, those are medicinal plants, muliati, all these. So with this, I hope you understood. For further lesson, you can follow the next video of that.